Impact TV presents Mega MANUNG HUTNA on 31st of December 2021 on the topic 2022 KANAGI LEINGAK. Time 4 to 7 p.m. Venue Sangai Hall, Hotel Imphal. The panelists are HONREIKHUI KASHUNG, NPF Secretary General, HANGKHANPAO TAITHUL, President JDU, CH BIJOY, BJP Chief Spokesperson, RATIKA YUMNAM, Youth President NPP, HARESHWAR GOSHWAMI, INC Spokesperson, RINKU KHUMUKCHAM, Editor, The Imphal Times, JOYKUMAR, RTI activist, and Dr. DHANABIR LAISHRAM, Social Scientist. Our editor, NONTHOMBAM, and anchor, SARAT SHARMA, will host a discussion. Powered by Babina Groups. Co-powered by HVS, CJ Hospitals and Research Institute Private Limited, Likla, Mongstangay Kanba Apun Balub. Sponsored by Macy, come and complete your dreams. Banthoibi Housing and Finance Company Limited. Nishikant Sapam, BJP intending candidate kay Shamtong Assembly Constituency. Thangjam Arun Kumar, intending candidate Wangkai Assembly Constituency. Sheikh Nurul Hassan, intending candidate Ketragaon Assembly Constituency. Shrimati SKB Devi, BJP intending candidate 21 Naria Pakang Lakpa Assembly Constituency. Laurembam Rameshwar Maitai, Honorable MLA, Kairao Assembly Constituency. MSPR Enterprises, Authorized Dealer, Cargill and CPF. Globus, Mobile Furniture for Modern Living. Hatil, Mother's Care, Children Hospital and Research Center. Medilen, making healthcare accessible and affordable. Matilva Agro, one-stop solutions for agriculture and horticulture. Pointrex Educational Solution Private Limited, co-sponsored by UNACO, Excellence in Education.